Okay, for lesson number 2, two lamps controlled by one gang switch. I-on natin itong switch na to. Itong dalawang lamp iilaw. So, atin na simulan. Okay, so we'll start first dito sa diagram. So, ito yung line 1 and line 2. And this is the CBC circuit breaker. Okay, so meron tayong dalawang wire, line 1, line 2. This one. Then, for the 1 gang, S1, so meron tayong dalawang wire. For the lamp number 1, dalawang wire. Then, this is lamp number 2, dalawang wire. Okay? So, itong line 1, kukonect natin papuntang switch. Okay? So, the remaining wire, connect natin ito muna. Connect muna natin yung lamp 1. Punta dito. Then, another wire, connect natin sa line 2. Ito naman, ito yung return. This is for the line 2 sa neutral. Line 1 para sa live. Okay? So, we have another lamp for the lamp 2. Ito. Connect natin yung isa. Connect natin sa switch. Then, another one will goes to the line 2. So, ito yung diagram na ipapalo natin. Okay? So, pwede na tayo mag-connect. Okay, so, from line 1, puntang switch. Okay, so, ito yung line 1 natin. Ito yun. So, ito, connect natin papuntang switch. Okay, next. So, from switch papunta sa lamp 1. So, yung remaining wire ng switch, this one. So, kukunin natin papuntang lamp 1. So, let's say this one. Next. So, the remaining wire ng lamp 1, kukunin natin papuntang lamp 2. So, lamp 2. Punta dito. Okay, so we are done with the lamp 1. So, meron pa tayong remaining lamp for the lamp number 2. Okay, dalawa. So, yung isa, kukunin natin papuntang line 2. So, sa line 2, ito. So, dito natin kukunin. So, sa line 2. Okay, so lastly, itong wire na to, connect papuntang switch. So, ito. So, punta sa ito yung line 1. Yan, ito yung wire ng switch pababa. Connected din papuntang lamp. Ito. This one. Okay, so this time we're going to check the circuit using the multitester. Bago tayo magte-tape, we need to check first the circuit. So set yung meter either X1 or X10. And calibrate natin, zero natin. And then itong test probe kunin natin dito sa line 1 and line 2. So no polarity input, no, kahit saan nilagay yung positive and negative test probe. So by the way, pag mag-check tayo ng circuit, so ang dapat yung gagamitin natin yung incandescent lamp. Do not use yung CFL or LED lamp. So dapat yung incandescent lamp. Okay? So nailagay na natin yung test probe. So turn on the breaker. Then so pag i-on natin itong S1 or yung 1 gun, so dapat magkaroon yun ng reading. Yan. So usually high resistance. So in this case, nasa 9 ohms. Nasa 9 ohms. So 9 times 10, that is 90 ohms. So it should be high resistance. Okay? Pag i-off natin, walang reading. Pag i-on, may reading. Now, what will happen if we're going to remove itong isang lamp o lamp 1? So, tingnan ninyo. So, if we're going to remove this one, tingnan natin what will happen. Yun. May reading pa rin. Mas lalong tumaas yung reading. Kanina 9, ngayon naging 18 ohms. 18 times 10, that is 180. No? So may reading siya kasi meron pang isang lamp. So this is connected in parallel. No? Ito yung parallel. Okay? So I'm going to remove this one. Wala nang reading. It's considered already open circuit. Okay, so naka-tape na. Nakalaan natin ng tape. So this time, check natin yung circuit. So nalagyan na rin natin ng plug. So I have here some cord. Plug natin. Turn on the breaker. And turn on one gun as well. Okay, yun. Now if we're going to remove this one, ang mayayari, tingnan natin. This is in parallel connection, no? So as you can see, tinanggal ko yung isa, but yung isa umilaw. Because meron tayong dalawang 2 branches o dalawang circuit. Ito isang circuit, then this one is another circuit. No? So this is one of the advantage ng parallel. No? So this one is nothing to do with the other one kasi that is another circuit. So not unlike the series, pag nasira yung isang lamp, the rest will hindi rin gagana. Okay? So simula niya kahit dito. Okay? So this is parallel. Okay, so meron kayong natutunan sa video nito. Please consider subscribing to my channel, like and share. Thank you for watching.